So this is the second part of the series, and I'm going to be making the living room. If you want to see the kitchen, click on the video at the top right and make sure you subscribe. Now, I started with modeling. I modeled the TV, console, and the chair. I used a cloth simulation for the chair. If you want a tutorial, comment below. After blocking out everything, I added more detail and I added material for the ground, the TV, and the chair. The chair was a leather material that I made with a Voronoi texture. Comment for tutorial. Here I started adding more elements to the scene with the Blender Kit add-on. I later added a glass door to bring in more light. I added a lamp, books, and I also made a rug with a hair particle system. Please like and subscribe.